to capture the calypso artistry.
Just something I normally does from preparation. It's something in me to just come out and sing for the crowd. I like to see the radio station play calypso more. For instance, this song I paid to record it by Clifford Hip Isaac Studio, and it's over 3 weeks now that all the radio stations have it, and they don't play it. I don't know, it's because of who you are, your friends, the ceremony is nobody company keeps anyway. And my company normally be to myself. I used to just love calypso. From the days back when you got short and swallow, and then I used to like contender because of the political issues and so forth. And to be honest, I didn't expect to be a calypso. The very first year I went to sing calypso, I come to be like the puppy show in the tent. And it's happened that I made it to the semi-final with the song Unpunished Crime. Then I had to go second, first, second song to sing in the final, and then to sing the semi-final. And then they wanted 7, and it so happened that I was the alternate the first year and also the second year. And that is what keep coming back until it becomes more like a payday for me now. Well, to be honest, ABBA no better than Saba. And that's a political song, eh? ABBA no better than Saba. I wouldn't want to get into that. You know who ABBA is and you know who Saba is, right?
Kaisa was in his DNA. Natural talented in every way. Whenever he came on stage to sing, his performance was electrifying. Excitement in the atmosphere. Fans gone crazy, hands in the air. They came to see the Ayatollah. He was the ultimate crowd pleaser. He was a real top-class entertainer. His antics on stage as a dancer. Competition in the Calypso arena. We showed him his King Ayatollah. To all his fans in McKnight area,
sing for Ayatollah.
You young fans come join the choir.
Sing for Ayatollah.
To all his fans in the countryside,
sing for Ayatollah.
Sing his knee with fanfare and wine.
Sing for Ayatollah.
Sing